The chicken is something that is ranked highly all over the world, right? Yes, guys, daily vlogs every dish. Happy Sunday. Take a little nap. I actually wake up 8:15 on Sunday, so I guess I'll be waking like a zombie. So just me and Anya here. We didn't cook today. We had some curry chicken and aloo remain from yesterday. Yesterday I just bought some ghost roti. I don't know, I'd be so busy, right? I always buy these kind of ghost roti and ghost avocado because it's just busy. And you just go in the ghost and you sit there and you pick up. And it just be total failure. I guess I just see this avocado incident. And then I buy some ghost roti. I don't want to call it brand and thing because I don't like to bash. You know what people going through. But the apple was like plastic and the bus up shot was like plastic. Remember the roti, Anya?
Mm-hmm.
How you find the roti was?
It was filled with plastic.
It's hard, the roti hard, everything hard. You know, piano dal. So I had a little bit of roti remain. So I said, I rather boil some rice. So I just boil some rice today and we eat the rest of curry chicken and aloo. And that we eat for the day. So I said, now wake up, now take a nap. And I'm hungry. So we head into a Grand Bazaar to get some food. That is with the Sunday flick down the side. We do have options like the cross and thing, but you can get a decent burger. But I might try something different today in Grand Bazaar. So it goes, I'm going to take a little drive. And maybe 2 big ones home to clean up the room before I come home, because when I come home, we want to be clean up so we can sit down in peace and eat. And we go on a movie. I have a sink roller ways to wash. Yes, she take out the cast, but you know she still can't stand up too long on she foot, so I don't wash up the ways. Look at that part chair for she does sit down and wash the ways. But the sink a little too high. Anya, you feeling it? Where you want to eat? Where you want? I don't know. I don't want to buy no fried food for you. That's all I want. I don't know. You're not seeing anything? Yeah, imagine. Burger King open still? Yeah, but I ain't spending all that money. I ain't bro. Burger King, you just buy a couple stuff and it's almost $20 for this team of 6. I ain't bro. And you pay like 10 nuggets and fries, you're paying for all that money. I don't know what them children, they in love. Is Burger King or McDonald's? What is Burger King or McDonald's? I don't know. Look at people. Oh my god. For me, it's parking, boy. A man now come up from a spot there, but me like to park there, but everybody sponging up. I will set and park right here. We have a little walk, but I don't think. Oh, Father. And I don't come out, I had to take you out, right? Somebody trying to speed and I don't know a place to speed. So guys, we see the rest of the little Sunday evening drive goes. There's Annie enjoying ice cream. Tasting good? Very nice. This. So yes guys, I haven't finished each ice cream. I think the food was a bit expensive, I don't know. You all could tell me, I don't know. But yeah, it is taste, right? I think everything comes 175. That is for a fish wrap, a box of tenders and fries, and butter chicken with one naan. So this is the famous fish sandwich here, check it out. Really, I like this fish sandwich. For a long time, this fish sandwich used to be so much bigger than this, eh? You wouldn't believe it. This size will be dropped by half. Right yourself. Let's take a little quick bite. Oh my god, honestly, they wrap this thing so damn good, eh? The paper, they want to peel off. I also take a little bite and see if it still tasting good. I find, you know, plenty places like things eat long time, be standard drop. I want like the people literally stick on to the food. I can't get it out. So I take a little bite, it's real stick on, I don't know why. Stick on so much. Right, I finally got a bite. Surely, and I've only seen the beauty yet. So this will be no dry thing, it's like they saute the fish like a chow mein, like real sausage, and they make a fish wrap. Fish wrap, people. I'll get you go down. I good. Get all that Anya. Anya do eat them thing. I think the bill. Let's see how much. Let's see the bill. Let's see the exact prices and everything. That was a half of the fish wrap, guys, so it's 2 halves. Fish wrap, $55. Right? $55. They may be used a piece of fish, $10. One wrap, say $2. Wraps cheap, like $12. And just say they use $8. Have a piece of onion, carrots. So $20 it take to make that fish wrap. They make a $30 on a fish wrap. It's $55 for it. So guys, it's so easy to make money in Trinidad. How much you make on a fish wrap? This is the nuggets. This is the chicken nuggets and fries. Combo $60. How much for the plate? Full, eh? Busy people. It's mountain too. Check it out. I think here real plenty. Check it, pure meat. But check out fry. Fry soft. I don't crunch it. I don't know, that's one little piece. This is more the kids food. I was taking a little bite. Fries is 6 out of 10. Texture on point, crunch on point. I think maybe if you add the sauces and stuff, you might get a more flavor. But I feel like I'm missing something. You know, I'm missing something. Yeah. Oh my god! I didn't really want to open this. I can make a serious mess. So this, guys, this is what I excited for. This was the butter chicken and the naan. This was $70. So this meal is $60, right? So the meal is $60, and with $60 I get the butter chicken and a butter naan. But I told them I wanted cheese naan, so I was thinking that I would get the butter naan and I would get cheese naan, because I see the charge me $10 extra, right? So I thinking $10 for a naan, but it looked like $10 just add cheese on it. So this was $70. Butter chicken and then $70. That is plenty. And then, yeah?
Yeah.
There's plenty. So this could be very messy. But for you guys, you know, this video is for you guys. I'm gonna pause for a sec. Hey guys, sorry for that. I just need to put the phone to charge. Real classic, you know. I think this was a bad idea opening in the car. I didn't believe it. And Anya? It's years, it's a while I haven't eaten butter chicken. I think the best butter chicken I ever eat is that time Leah made butter chicken. You know, this butter chicken is something that is ranked highly all over the world, right? Highly, very highly. One with that cover. Taste it. Nice. Nice at the front. Woo. When I finish, this naan hot. This naan is like fire. I watch my wood. You see where they put it in? My God. Guys, you see where they put this in? Oh, yes. Oh, sorry, it's a bag. They put it in a silver bag, guys. And this keeping the naan like it's still cooking in here. Wow. Great idea. I tell you, I can't roll it. I'm going to pinch up this naan, eh? So hot. So guys, there's the naan there. Cheese naan. Like a green and cheese. I don't know. Oh God, at the end of the day, I'm really excited for this, guys. It makes sense getting on yet. This is not onion, I'm thinking. You know, butter chicken and naan. I'll try chicken. So guys, I know my fellow subscriber is so eating in the car. My God, I think they're so good. I really enjoy that. $70. Because only when I go home, I'll see if it's satisfied. I can't say exactly how much I get, but my God, that thing tastes so good. So good. I think I want that back next week. I can't buy it every week. I'll buy it once a week. So good. I just take one taste and leave this nice, buttery, tomatoey. I don't know. Like, leave a real nice taste in my mouth. I like. Long time I try something I really like. I'm feeling teeth again, and I ain't eating food yet. So, we passing by the famous 59. But today's Sunday. Party has started here yet. Party just started here all 10 o'clock today. I think today they have Suish Maraj. You understand? Every Sunday there is real big party. A big party. I tell you, the party will be so big that you can't move inside the place. People just, I think that's the most popular night. Chutney Sunday. You didn't think that people coming out of the house 9, 10 o'clock in the night on a Sunday. And trust me, if you go there, you can't move. So guys, I will end this little daily vlog. Fish wrap, chicken, alright. Butter chicken. Try it. If you're greedy, I don't think that portion size will satisfy your needs. Because it's just like a little portion, but I'm buying something just to keep this dipping on it. So it's just good for me. $70. Once I don't mind paying money once it tastes good, so I think it's worth it. 100% worth it. And yeah, baby, say bye-bye. If you guys enjoy our little Sunday edition, you know, want a nice movie, enjoy this food, I want to relax. Now is what time? Now it's 9 o'clock. So I want to watch a movie. See the movie's at 1:30. Half 10. Say 11 o'clock. Then I'll have the ways to wash. So by 12 o'clock, I'll be in my bed. on this beautiful Sunday and making another daily vlog on Monday for you. And we out. Bye bye.